Join me as I take on the challenge of growing my YouTube channel, first using these proven tips and see if I can hit my goals in just a month. Growing your YouTube channel quickly is crucial in today's competitive online world. It can open doors to new opportunities, increase your visibility, and help you build a loyal community of fans. The question is, how do you do it? When you're just starting out on YouTube, it can be tough to get your channel off the ground. You can create amazing content, but if nobody sees it, it's like shouting to a void. Many creators struggle with low visibility, which leads to a lack of engagement and slow subscribers growth. It's frustrating and it can make you wonder if it's all worth it. You might be pouring your heart and soul into your videos, but if you are not getting the views or engagement you want, it can be demotivating. You might feel like you're talking to an empty room and that nobody is listening. It's a tough spot to be in, but don't worry, you are not alone. Many YouTubers face these challenges, but the good news is that there are ways to overcome them. With the right strategies and mindset, you can grow your channel quickly and start seeing the results you want. Yes, the first step to growing your channel is to optimize your video titles. Title is what grabs people's attention and makes them want to click on your video. It's like the headline of a newspaper article. If it's boring or irrelevant, nobody wants to read it. Your title should be descriptive, grabbing, accurately reflect the content of your video. Another crucial element is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is like a visual representation of your video, and it can make or break whether someone clicks on it. Make sure it's a high quality, relevant, and eye-catching. You should also use social media to your advantage. Share your videos, engage with your audience, and build a community around your channel. But here's the thing, these tips are just the tips of the iceberg. There's one strategy that has helped many creators achieve rapid growth, and is something that I'm going to share with you today. Are you ready? It's all about consistency and creativity. You need to be consistent in your uploads and creative in your content. You will need to be willing to take risks, try new things, and push yourself outside of your comfort zone. Yes, the reason why this strategy is so effective is because it shows your audience that you're committed to your channel and that you're willing to put in the work to produce high quality content. It also helps you to stand out from the crowd and make your channel more attractive to potential viewers. When you are consistent and creative, you are showing the algorithm your channel is worth paying attention to. Don't just take my word for it. I've seen this strategy work firsthand. I've seen creators who were struggling to get views suddenly start to see massive growth once they started to focus on consistency and creativity. It's like a snowball effect. Once you start to build momentum, it gets easier and easier to keep going. Yes. So to recap, the key to growing your YouTube channel is to optimize your title, use engaged thumbnails, leverage social media, and focus on consistency and creativity. It sounds simple, but it takes work and dedication to make it happen. But trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful. If you have any growth strategies that have worked for you, please share them in my comments below. And if you want to learn more tips on how to succeed on YouTube, check out my next video for more information. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you in the next video.